So let's start with the JMS and database.
Yeah.
So like I explained earlier, JMS stands for Java Messaging Service.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
So why this messaging is required?
Yeah. So my understanding is that for the application or APIs to communicate with each other, we need a messaging service. And one of the one is, for that reason, GMS is gonna be the main technology to do a messaging service.
So what's the core advantage if you communicate through the messaging server? What is directly?
Yeah, so look, you can listen to and message queue, and then you can publish it, you can listen it, you can process it, and so I think, to me, this is really the key for everything. We're gonna have a silo applications without GMS, without messaging service, right?
Right. Yeah.
So you could publish something, you could do something, but others cannot consume the data or could consume the mass information.
Correct.
Then there is no, it's something half baked, right?
Yeah. Yeah. So one thing is you want to make the communication as asynchronous. Like I said, asynchronous means
Yeah, I like that.
request and response on one thread. Asynchronous means request on one thread and response on another thread. Okay. So see, let me give one scenario in my project. Actually, in our project, right? There is an application which is taking message from the client applications. So this is client. And in this application, there are business processes defined. So there is some software called Camunda where we define business processes. What's happened when the request comes, who need to approve that, who need to delegate something like business process defined in application. So when client directly, interacting to the to our application, right?
Mm.
Okay. One thing is, if your application is down, it is no more, active, you lose the messages, right? You can't say,
Yeah.
sometimes maybe application down, then we need to ask the client to resend the message. So we are, our system is not reliable, right? So
That's right.
application more reliable, we need to introduce something called messaging. That is one thing. Okay. Another thing is it takes little time. Processing requires some approval. Software after approves, everything is good. Then it will send back to the client. The response sent back to client, not immediately. So what happens is if you are calling synchronously, that not possible, right? So that is one thing. So for that, we introduce something called the JMS. JMS as a specification is only specification, right? Only rules and regulations defined by Java, Oracle, not Java now. It's not implementation, it's specification. So some companies took the specification and they developed the JMS server, like ActiveMQ.
So they may have a dedicated server for GMS.
Exactly. They took the JMS specification and developed the JMS server, ActiveMQ, RabbitMQ, JBossMQ, something like that. So many are there. So here I mentioned few. JBossMQ. These are all JMS servers developed
Yeah.
on base of JMS specification that is given by Sun Microsystems earlier. Now it's Oracle. Okay. So now in our session, what is the agenda is we will download a JMS server. Okay. And from the Mule application, we will publish a message to the JMS. And we consume the message from the Mule application. Okay, it's publish and consumer.
Yeah.
And in the JMS, there are two types of channels are available. You know, right?
The
Two types of channels.
persistent, the persistent, and the other one, what do you call the?
Train set, that is one type, and queues and topics. Queues and topics.
Queues and topics.
Yeah. Queue or topics. Queues and topics. So queues is for one-to-one communication. Means one application will send a message to the JMS queue, is represented by JMS queue, and another application will take out that message, consume the message from JMS queue.
Okay.
Maybe there are multiple consumers will be there. It's not a one application, multiple consumers will be there. But if one message is published to this queue, once this message is consumed by any application, that is no longer available in the queue.
In the queue.
Okay. So if you took the message in the queue, now we can't take the same message because A take out the message. This message is no longer available. Maybe a new message comes that will be picked by the B. Okay. So at any point of time, one message is picked up by any one client, right? That is called queue.
So I have a question.
Yeah.
For these people who are consuming like A and B and C, those applications or those systems,
Yeah.
they each one is getting the message that it's configured, right? To get it. It doesn't, there is no like a conflict. They're not, so like what I'm thinking is that, and I don't know, consumer like the A is gonna go different, is gonna grab a different type of message it's looking for in the queue, and B is looking for their own message and criteria in the queue, right?
It's
Is that
they won't check any kind of specific category message or specific message. All the three applications are listening on the queue. Okay, you know listening, right?
okay?
Listening on the queue means for every frequent interval, they go
Usually
to the queue for messages.
you listen to message.
They listen message.
Is it do they listen any specific type of messages that pertains each one, or they listen to anything?
They listen to anything, any message.
Okay.
Not categorize the to listen a specific kind of message. No. It listens any kind of message, but no. The three applications are listening to the message. Sometimes this will get the message because at that moment it will go and it's just active. Sometimes B will get sometimes C will get. We can all depends upon the threads.
Okay.
Right. So listening means every few seconds, every few microseconds, they go and check the message, right? So
yeah,
some mismatch happen the timings. Sometimes A will get messages, sometimes B will get messages, sometimes C will get messages. Right?
okay.
But only one application will get the message, the same message.
Okay.
Right? So that is called queue. Whereas topic is like a broadcast thing. Means all three are listening for the messages. When this guy posts a message to the queue, that message is sent to all the listeners by the queue. By the topic. Topic sends the same message to all the listening applications.
So it broadcasts that it sends to.
Yeah. Okay. So broadcast means topic. Topic is if you put in a topic, or something is a topic. For topic, there are multiple listeners are assigned, associated, like A, B, C. These applications are listening on the topic. So if these are listening on the topic, these are subscribers. These three applications are subscribed to the topic.
Subscribers, yeah.
Okay. Once the sender application put the message in the topic automatically,
What?
broadcasted to all the three applications. All the three applications will get the same message, right? So this is called topic style, whereas queue only one application will get the message, right? Means not always one, but suppose three messages come to the queue. Maybe this message picked out by A, this message picked out by B, and this message picked out by C. It's okay. Or maybe same all the three picked out by A. You can't say that, but only one message picked out by only one application. That's the queue. All right. So.
Hold. So, and my friend,
Yeah, no problem.
say that last time. You said there's three message in the queue.
Okay.
Then how do they? And there's three messages in the queue, and so are they? First of all, are they all subscribers? A and B, C.
Yeah.
Can we call them? Can we call them subscribers?
Correct. Yeah.
All right. So subscribers A, there's three messages in the queue.
Yeah.
Subscribers A gets one, right?
We can't say like A will get only one. Maybe two messages. A will get two messages and B will get one message. Or A won't get any messages. All the messages.
Anyway, they check the queue. If there's a message, they grab it. If message, they grab it.
Exactly.
And there's a schedule. There's a schedule that every 2 minutes or so they go there and check.
Correct.
Where the topics you said, the topic's job is to broadcast the message to subscribers.
Correct.
And so then it has to be some kind of configuration that it knows who the subscribers are.
Yes. That I will show.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
I think now I understand. So hold on 1 second. So the applications that API we develop, when you run, it will create a message in the queue.
Correct.
And it depends what kind of messaging we use, whether it's a queue or topics. It will publish something in the queue.
Yeah.
And if you use a queue, the subscribers will get this one at a time. Oh no, we'll get those message from the queue. If we're using topics, we will broadcast to the subscribers.
Correct.
Got it.
Excellent. Now, I'm gonna download this. You can parallelly you can do whatever I'm saying. You can do parallel in your machine. So go to activemq.com.
Where do I go?
Activemq.com.
ActiveMQ.
Not so I'm going to get into it now. This one apache.active.org.
I get another page. I don't know why.
This one, right? The same page.
No, I got a different one. That's
Google it out.
Now I have it.
So this ActiveMQ, Apache is a company. It is the product, ActiveMQ product of Apache. So Apache is a company.
Okay.
Apache is a company. It has two products, but ActiveMQ is another product from Apache.
Okay.
Download this ActiveMQ Classic, and can download the ActiveMQ 5.17.1 is the latest one.
Yeah.
If you have Windows machine, download this zip file. I don't know your machines. Are you able to find this page, Adam?
Yeah, I'm following you.
Okay, next. I'm extracting this server. So this is the server folder actually. What I'm doing is I'm just copying downloads to my
Hold on 1 second. I just want to grab this. Why is it going there? All right, so now I get the folder. Okay.
yeah, you got the folder right?
Yeah, I'm with you now.
Excellent. So what I'm doing is I'm copying this folder from downloads to my C drive or D drive. It's not necessary, but I'm just downloads. Anytime we will delete right before say over here.
I can create a folder, right, for organization wise. I can create a folder and put in there, right?
Yes.
I'll call it ActiveMQ. And I put here, paste. All right, it's copying right now.
Now, once you copy to your C drive or D drive, there is a folder called bin folder inside it. You able to see that?
Yeah.
Okay, so go to that, and if your machine is Windows machine,
Yeah.
in Win64, there is ActiveMQ batch file. You can see, click on that one, so it will start the server.
Run that.
Yeah, run that.
So say key, press key, any key to continue.
There is some issue with my machine. Okay. What is my Java?
Robert stopped. Okay, I didn't check that.
The same, you got issue or you are able to run this one?
1 second. Cancel this. Run. Yeah, actually it's 17. I see a Robert stopped. I couldn't run it. There is option to run as administrator.
Here it is. Okay, run as administrator.
Yeah, so you can right click. Let's see if that solved the problem. Same thing.
Okay, this is quite your machine has Java installed in your machine?
I don't think so. I'm not sure.
Okay, so
I have a question. Okay, no, go ahead.
Java minus version. Just click this one.
I have what operating system do you have?
I am operating Windows.
Windows 10?
Yes, Windows 10.
Yeah, we have a 17.
So in the command prompt, right? Go to command prompt and type Java minus version.
Okay. CMD. Yeah, I do have a 1.8.2. No, I have. How do you know the version? The version I have a 1.8.0 underscore 181.
No problem. Okay, okay. Let me. It is Java compatible 11 version, but we need to take 8 version. This is the second one is ours. This is compatible to our OS. Okay. The above one is
5.16,
yeah
11,
Java 11
right?
version. So this is not compatible to our Java version. Our Java version is 1.8, right? So we need to download.
Yeah.
Okay. See, at least this 1.11 version. So we will download again this one. Download the second one.
Okay, let me go there. The second one, right?
May 2nd, 2022 one. This one. Okay.
5.6.
Yeah, 5.16.5 version. So Adam, you're able to download that folder.
Yeah, I'm copying over right now.
Okay.
Paste.
So copy it. Copy, Win and Win64. Here I am starting the activity.
That's better.
One second. Yeah, I think it will run for you. For me, I installed something recently that is binding an 8081. So I got some issue. I think it will run successfully for you, right?
It's doing it right now. I'm still waiting.
Okay, okay, no problem, no problem.
It's doing like an active MQ and Jolokia REST API. I don't know. It's stuck on a line that says information active MQ Jolokia REST API available at 127.0.0.0.1.80161. It's stuck on that line.
Yes, you are. It's good. You are good. Now open any browser. So the one you are seeing is ActiveMQ console, web console. Means you can control your messaging server from this console. You can create the queues, you can delete the queues, you can create topics, you can send a message to the topics, you can send message to the queues, you can view the messages, you can do all things of the server over here from this console.
Right.
Okay.
Nice.
Then could you expand a little more this one?
This
Yeah,
the browser.
browser. Maximize it.
What is the, why is it going back?
Yeah, it's clear. Now, there is a link, manage ActiveMQ broker. Okay, right? Welcome manage ActiveMQ broker link. See little up. Welcome to ActiveMQ. Welcome to Apache ActiveMQ message. Down there, down, little down, you can find
manage, yeah.
manage ActiveMQ broker.
Yes, sorry.
Now, here we can see the queues, topics, subscribers, connections, the main queue, right? Main menu. Main menu top on the main menu on the
main menu.
No, not on that. Left top.
Say that one more time.
Come left
Left.
side. Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Oh, here.
Okay. Go to queue section. Let's start with the queues. You want to create any queue, you can give the queue name, some queue, and you can create the queue. Some you can do some sales queue or some XYZ name. You can give any name. Okay.
Yeah.
Some reasonable name will give. Test queue. Okay. Test queue is fine. Create. Yeah.
Do I put anything here or no?
No, that's not required now. It's a filter. Okay. Test queue got created, right? Right. So if you want to send a message to this queue from this console without any, with any application, you want to send a message. At the extreme, this on the record, right? At the end, the operations tab is there. Operations column.
Operations column.
Yeah. Yeah, that is number of pending messages column. This one, this table. This is table, number of pending messages, number of consumers.
Yeah.
Enqueued, message dequeued, view
Operations.
and operations, right? So
yeah.
Here send to link is there. Send to link. Yeah, click on the send to link. Send to link, and you can message. You can do some message over here in the message body.
Here, okay.
You can do some message, and you can send this message to that queue. Which queue? Test queue. Send button is there over here. Send button.
Here.
Yeah. Okay. Send it. Now see, there is one pending message, and there are no consumers consuming that message. Placing the message in the queue called NQ and removing the message from the queue called DQ.
Say that one more time.
Putting message to the queue called NQ. The terminal NQ. One
NQ, okay.
Okay. NQ means placing the message inside the queue called NQ and removing the message from the queue called DQ.
Okay.
DQ. Yes, see.
Okay.
Message dequeued. Message dequeued is 0, means we just place the message, but we didn't remove that message. If you remove the message.
Okay. This is a DQ.
Yeah, dequeued. That dequeued
and this is 1. And this is NQ.
NQ. Okay. Now, this is about the ActiveMQ. We will go back on application and we will develop the application. Okay. Now go to Anypoint Studio because my ActiveMQ is, I need to check it out.
Yeah.
So
are you talking about the web version, or you talk about the local and studio? What do you call that?
The local studio. Anypoint.
I'm sorry. Anypoint. The web, right?
Yeah.
Anypoint. Okay. And so what's the other? So this one is Anypoint Studio, the one I'm opening right now. The online one, what is it called? The one I just showed you.
That is Anypoint platform console.
Okay.
Where you can not only Anypoint Studio, you can see Design Center, Runtime Manager, API Manager, all these consoles, right?
Yeah.
Right. There is Anypoint platform console. It has contains dashboard where you can see all these point components.
Mhm.
That is cloud version actually.
You're right. That's a cloud version.
Yeah. Yeah.
I like that. Sometimes if you don't have it locally,
Mhm.
that's a good place to practice. And also, you were correct also. And what's the other call? The data wave thing also is so good. The the data wave language fun page.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's the best idea they have because you can practice there.
Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Your any point should have got loaded and create one project. Some JMS demo, something you do any name
Yeah.
related to this topic. JNMS. Okay,
Or
just
MS. Yeah.
name doesn't matter, but
Yeah.
yeah, JMS demo. Now, to configure HTTP listener to send a message to the queue, we need some, some channel, right? HTTP listener.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. And configure to default configuration or some configuration. Now, type JMS in the they type JMS. Yes, we'll see one by one. Now try to we will publish this message. So configure
Yeah.
publish component.
You need to publish one?
Yeah, publish component. Drag it and click on publish. We giving a why HTTP is giving the other we configure. Okay, there is some issue. Right? Okay. Now here the important point to remember is you means Mule need to connect to the JMS server that is running in that right
Yeah.
already started right.
Hmm.
Okay. So to connect to that server it requires two things. The first thing is we need to tell where the ActiveMQ server is running. Maybe in this case the ActiveMQ server running in your machine, but in the real time maybe ActiveMQ server running in some other machine in your network, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So you need to tell where actually on what host, what port the ActiveMQ server is running. That is one thing. Okay. So this ActiveMQ server we can call it as a broker.
Broker.
It is brokering between applications, right? It's
Yeah.
mediated. So we can call it as a broker. That is first configuration. Second configuration we need to do is we need to give some driver files.
Okay. Are you talking about here?
Yeah, now that here we need to tell where the there is plus sign, right? Yeah, plus sign. Here see required libraries it asking, right? It requires some libraries. Using these libraries, Mule can able to talk to the JMS server. To talk to
Yeah.
JMS, it requires these libraries. Okay.
Mhm.
So these libraries are available in the ActiveMQ download. Okay. Click on configure. Go to local file and go to browse to file and go to the folder where you downloaded the ActiveMQ. Yeah. Go inside and select the last one, ActiveMQ all jar file. Yeah. Select it and open it. Yeah. Okay. Press OK. That is not required. Press OK. And okay, now it will automatically configure all the things. We need not worry.
We don't need these two.
No, it will take also. That all contains all the libraries. Okay. No, come no. Drag the scroll bar and the right there scroll bar is there right on the window. Yeah, drag little down. Okay. One sec. Drag little down. Yes. Here connection factory. Click on the factory configuration. The connection factory, right? Click on the factory configuration drop down button. Come down, little down, little down. Yeah, little down. Yeah. That one. No.
This one.
Yeah, that one. Yeah. Go edit inline. The last one. Yeah. Now there is something called broker URL, right? You are seeing broker URL. Okay. Means who is broker? Active is broker, right? Like I said.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So you will need to give the active URL over here. Yeah. Delete it.
The one we were on, the MQ one.
Exactly. Active MQ1.
This.
No, not that. Go over there. Go to
Oh, okay. What is it? And
yeah.
where do I need to go?
Delete the existing one. Delete
Okay.
it. Okay. Delete entire thing. Now there is some bookmark is there, right? TCP localhost 61616. Are you able to see that one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Give that one. TCP colon / localhost colon 61616. That is a default host.
61616.
Exactly. Yeah. This is a broker URL. Okay.
Okay.
That's it. Now, okay.
I don't have to do the password user ID.
They're not required for the purpose. Okay.
Do I do a test? Oh, you okay?
You can do the test. Okay, no problem. Test it. Make sure the ActiveMP is running, right? Yeah.
Yeah, it's running.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. Then say okay.
So your connector configuration is done, means your Mule application can able to connect to ActiveMQ server, can able to communicate. That is done. And second thing is you need to queue in the ActiveMQ to which queue you want to send message. Okay, you need to give the queue name, right?
The destination.
Yeah. Yeah, test queue. If that queue is not available in the ActiveMQ, it will create a okay, if test queue is available, right? Then we put that message to the queue. If you give some other name, that name, the queue is not available in the ActiveMQ, for suppose, then a new queue will be created. Okay, got it?
So you're saying that you have to create the queue first, and then this is where you put the queue, right? The queue information.
Yeah, if Adam, if in case queue is not available in the ActiveMQ server, you given some other queue name.
Yeah, I give name, but it didn't change. I don't know.
Yeah, you can queue like that. No problem. If you queue like that, what happened? Test queue2 will be created in the ActiveMQ. Got it? Okay.
It's gonna create one. If the name doesn't exist, it's gonna create one.
Yeah. If it's not available, it create a one.
Okay, I see.
Okay. And next one is you can give either queue or topic. The default is queue. Okay, let's start with the queue. Yeah, that's it. Then come down. Okay, it's done. Now we can save the configuration.
We can save it.
Yeah, save the page. Okay, it's very simple configuration. Just you are pushing a message to the
queue.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just you can run the application.
Hmm.
Yeah, it is deployed.
Yeah, so this is deployed.
Deployed. Go to Postman.
Postman, okay.
Open Postman. Close this one also. Now take the post method so that we can able to post the message.
So 8081, I think was it.
I think you given some path.
GMS, yeah.
Yeah, go to post. Take the post method and go to body. Yeah, use some message. This is also fine. This message also you can post. Okay.
Okay.
Then send it. Yeah, go to ActiveMQ console.
Which one? The queue?
Console, yeah, the queue console, yeah, over there. And refresh this page.
We got two.
And yeah, okay, the same queue.
Earlier we had a one, and now it's two, I think.
Okay. Now click on the test queue link, their name right in on the queue name.
What about it?
Click on the queue name, yeah, there. Click on it. Then you can see the message. Click on the first message ID. Yeah. See,
Yeah, this is the message we sent.
the message you posted, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is a simple publish of message.
Okay.